So what does it take to work as an offshore client representative? First, there is ship awareness or operations awareness. This includes worsening weather, working beyond agreed limits, or a reduced work capacity due to a simple thruster failure. Things that can be shrugged off as not important until an accident occurs. So be wary of various pressures that may make a contractor cut corners. Secondly, you must be aware of your own personal abilities and shortcomings. If you're already in the offshore wind business, you'll be aware of those shown in this list. You'll need a valid offshore medical, which takes less than an hour, and basic safety courses provided by specialist training centres with practical experience facilities. They take between 3 and 5 days to complete and are required for everyone working in offshore renewables. Make sure they'll remain valid throughout your rotation because you can't renew these qualifications online. It may take several years to advance from a trainee to a senior OCR level. Practical experience is valuable and often underestimated, so it's good to accept a variety of roles in different projects when planning your career path. Never be afraid of stepping backwards by accepting a role as a project engineer, and be aware that some very experienced OCRs will occasionally work for a contractor as a vessel superintendent or a floating project manager. Also remember, although there are no real shortcuts when it comes to gaining practical experience, attending webinars and online presentations is a good way to keep up to date. Ultimately, it's your choice where and how to work. You could be working in any of the global offshore wind farms, and you could eventually shift into wave or tidal power. No other OCR courses are available that offer the flexibility of learning provided by RICOA. The OCR education package has taken us 2 years to devise and refine. It contains more than 20 modules. If you study for 6 hours each day, it can be completed within a week. Alternatively, you can set aside 2 or 3 weekends. Be flexible, allowing you to fix your own schedule over several weeks. You choose when and where to learn, and you can repeat any part. There's an online exam at the end, and this is the only time where you can't pause and return later. If you're stuck on board waiting on weather, then it's a good time to enroll and start your education. So now we're near the end of the webinar, but not quite. It does appear that at least one person is interested in how much an OCR could be paid. So here goes.